What now?
Bro, look at this video. It's so random.
You've been smiling the whole day. What is it that's making you so happy?
You know, since life doesn't have a manual, most people find a rhythm in a few things, like simple and intentional habits.
Cambridge or Harvard, where did you study such philosophies?
I wish each day felt this peaceful. Life doesn't work the same for everyone. You know, me smiling doesn't mean that I'm happy. It's just a state of being.
Harshita, how do you live in this world with relationships with no one?
For me, what brings happiness is lost forever. My parents. And nothing can be changed anymore.
But no matter what, you definitely will need someone to take care of. Happiness will not last forever.
Happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your own actions. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow at Professor Peter's lecture. Bye bye.
Bye.
We often talk about happiness like it's a destination, a place we'll finally reach once the work is done or the goals are met. It's not about having a perfect day, it's about finding the light in an ordinary one.
Three years feels like 3 months. The semester is already coming to an end. So many projects, assignments, minor projects, and now nowhere we have NSEM.
All of these issues you have and you still steal marks from the class. How do you do it?
Nothing, bro, like it's in my mind too, but you all have someone to care about, share your problems with, but I don't have anyone like that. So I just relieve myself through studying.
Honestly, bro, I would have died if I were you.
I've been trained since my childhood to get good marks, get a job, earn a living. It is you guys who are actually living your life. Mine is just bored. And honestly, I kind of like it.
I know. Earn a living, get a good marks, earn a living, and then finally die with peace. I know.
Think of it like a musician. You need to learn the scales to write the exam and then get into orchestra. That's the survival part. That is marks.
Right, and if you fail, the scales are out. By the way, what are your plans for tonight? We have party over Machella's house. Maybe you want to come over?
No, bro, not today. So much stuff for the day. Yeah, Professor Peter's lecture. I'll see you tomorrow.
Teacher, good night. Bye.
Not everyone is the same, and that's okay. Some find comfort in books, some in quiet corners. Not everyone will love studying, not everyone will follow the same path.
Rashida, where are you? You are not picking up the call. You know how many times I called you. What happened to you? Are you okay?
Shafi is gone. I just feel so lonely and I feel like there's no one to take care of me anymore. I feel so alone.
I understand your situation. It's been 3 years I am single. Time heals. Eda, just because someone walked away doesn't mean your story ended. How is it?
It tastes better than every time.
Same way, your life will get better.
I don't know what you're saying. You loved a girl for 3 years and what happened?
Have this tea. I'll see you tomorrow at Professor Peter's class.
One cries for something they couldn't save. The other walks away from something they never truly valued. Love was never meant to be this unfair.
Harshida, Elena, and Rashida may walk different paths, but their journeys echo the same truth. This story is a reflection of countless voices waiting to be heard, and this is only the beginning because her story doesn't end here, it unfolds.